Welcome to our latest video, 20 affordable ways to update your home decor. Whether you're looking to refresh your space on a budget or simply seeking inspiration for a new look, we've got you covered. From rearranging furniture and adding layers with rugs, to creating stunning DIY wall art and incorporating plants, these easy tips will transform your home without breaking the bank. So grab your notepad and get ready to elevate your living environment with simple, cost-effective updates. Let's dive in. 1. Rearrange furniture. Sometimes, the simplest solution is right in front of you. Rearranging your furniture is a quick and cost-free way to give your living space a new vibe. Move your couch to a different wall or swap the positions of your chairs. This can create a fresh perspective and make the room feel brand new. You might be surprised at how different your space can look with just a few adjustments. It's like giving your room a facelift without any surgery. Plus, it's a fun way to experiment with different layouts until you find one that feels just right. 2. Add throw pillows. Throw pillows are like the jewelry of your living room. They add color, texture, and personality to your space. Swap out your old pillows or add a few new ones with vibrant patterns or interesting textures. You don't have to spend a lot to make a big impact. Look for sales or check out thrift stores for unique finds. Mixing and matching different styles can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. It's a small change that can make your whole room feel more polished and put together. 3. Layer rugs. Layering rugs is a trendy way to add depth and style to your floors. Use a larger, neutral rug as a base, and layer on a smaller, colorful rug on top. This technique not only adds visual interest but also allows you to incorporate more patterns and textures into your decor. It's like adding a pop of color to a plain outfit. Plus, smaller rugs are often more affordable, making this a budget-friendly option. This approach works great in living rooms and bedrooms, giving them a cozy and stylish feel. 4. DIY wall art. Creating your own wall art is a fantastic way to personalize your space. You don't need to be a professional artist to make something beautiful. Grab some canvas and paint, or print out your favorite photos and frame them. You could even make a collage of memorable moments or places you visited. This is your chance to let your creativity shine and make something that truly reflects your personality. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding project that can give your walls a unique and personal touch. 5. Hang mirrors. Mirrors are magical when it comes to home decor. They can make a small space feel larger and brighter by reflecting light around the room. Thrift stores and flea markets are great places to find unique mirrors at a fraction of the cost. Hang a large mirror above your sofa or console table, or group smaller mirrors together for a gallery wall effect. It's like adding an extra window without the construction costs. This simple addition can change the ambiance of any room instantly. 6. Update lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of a room. Consider swapping out old lampshades for new ones or adding string lights for a cozy glow. Smart bulbs are another affordable option that allows you to change the color and intensity of your lighting with just a tap on your phone. It's like having a remote control for your room's ambiance. Whether you want a warm, inviting atmosphere or a cool, modern vibe, updating your lighting can help you achieve it without spending a fortune. 7. Removable wallpaper. Peel and stick wallpaper is a game changer for those who want to add personality to their walls without the commitment. It's easy to apply and even easier to remove, making it perfect for renters or those who like to change things up frequently. Choose a bold pattern for an accent wall or a subtle design for an entire room. It's like giving your walls a temporary tattoo that you can change whenever you please. This affordable option allows you to experiment with different styles and colors without the hassle of traditional wallpaper. 8. Gallery wall. Creating a gallery wall is a stylish way to display your favorite photos, artwork, or even fabric scraps. Start by gathering frames of different sizes and styles, which you can often find at discount stores. Lay them out on the floor to plan your arrangement before hanging them on the wall. This curated look adds character and charm to any room. It's like creating a mini art exhibit in your own home. Plus, it's a great way to showcase your personality and interests through the pieces you choose to display. 9. Paint and accent wall. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders in transforming a space. Painting an accent wall is a cost-effective way to add a pop of color without the commitment of painting an entire room. Choose a bold hue that complements your decor, or go for a soft pastel for a more subtle effect. It's like adding a splash of personality without overwhelming the space. This simple change can create a focal point in the room and make it feel more cohesive and stylish. 10. Replace curtains. Curtains can dramatically affect the look and feel of a room. Swapping out your old curtains for new ones can instantly update your space. Opt for budget-friendly options from discount stores or try your hand at DIY no-sew curtains for a custom look. Choose light, airy fabrics for a bright and breezy feel, or go for heavier materials for a more opulent look. It's like dressing your windows in a new outfit, giving the room a fresh and polished appearance. 11. Change cabinet hardware. In the kitchen, a simple change of cabinet hardware can make a big difference. Replace old knobs and pulls with modern or vintage-inspired designs to give your cabinets a fresh look. This is a quick and inexpensive update that can elevate the entire room. It's like giving your kitchen a facelift without the cost of a full renovation. With so many styles available, you're sure to find hardware that suits your taste and complements your existing decor. 12. Peel and stick backsplash. Adding a peel and stick backsplash is a budget-friendly way to give your kitchen a high-end look. Faux tile or subway tile options are available in a variety of colors and patterns, allowing you to create a custom look without the expense of real tile. It's like adding a designer touch without the designer price tag. This easy-to-install option is perfect for renters or those looking for a temporary update. Plus, it's a great way to add texture and interest to your kitchen walls. 13. Organize open shelving. Open shelving can be both functional and decorative when styled correctly. Arrange your dishes, plants, and jars in an aesthetically pleasing way to create a curated look. Use matching containers for a cohesive feel or mix and match for an eclectic vibe. It's like turning your everyday items into a stylish display. This is an affordable way to add visual interest to your kitchen while keeping essentials within easy reach. 14. Decorative storage. Storage doesn't have to be boring. Incorporate decorative baskets or bins into your decor to keep things organized while adding visual interest. Choose materials and colors that complement your existing style. It's like hiding clutter in plain sight, keeping your space tidy and stylish. This is a practical solution for any room in the house, from the living room to the bathroom, and it's a great way to add texture and warmth to your decor. 15. New bedding. In the bedroom, updating your bedding can instantly refresh the space. Swap out your duvet cover, shams, or throw blanket for new ones in different colors or patterns. This is an easy and affordable way to change the look of your room with the seasons. It's like giving your bed a makeover without the cost of new furniture. Choose soft, comfortable fabrics that invite relaxation and create a cozy retreat. 16. DIY headboard. A custom headboard can add a touch of luxury to your bedroom without the high price tag. Create one using wood, fabric, or even wall decals for a unique and personal touch. This DIY project allows you to express your creativity and make something that truly reflects your style. It's like adding a piece of art to your room that also serves a functional purpose. Plus, it's a great way to make a statement and elevate the overall look of your bedroom. 17. Add a bed canopy. For a cozy, luxe feel, consider adding a bed canopy. Use sheer fabric to drape around your bed, creating a dreamy and romantic atmosphere. This is an affordable way to add a touch of elegance to your bedroom. It's like sleeping under a cloud, making your bed feel like a sanctuary. This simple addition can transform your space into a serene retreat where you can unwind and relax. 18. Switch shower curtains in the bathroom. A new shower curtain can make a big impact. Choose one with bold patterns or calming tones to elevate the space. This is a quick and easy update that can change the entire look of your bathroom. It's like adding a splash of color and personality to a small room. With so many options available, you can easily find a shower curtain that complements your style and adds a touch of flair to your bathroom decor. 19. Add plants. Adding plants to your bathroom is a simple way to bring life and freshness to the space. Choose small, low-maintenance plants like succulents or pothos that thrive in humid environments. It's like adding a breath of fresh air to your bathroom, creating a calming and natural atmosphere. Plants not only enhance the aesthetic but also improve air quality, making your bathroom a healthier and more inviting place. 20. Upgrade accessories. Finally, upgrading your bathroom accessories can give the space a cohesive and stylish look. Replace old soap dispensers, toothbrush holders, or towel hooks with new ones that match your decor. This is a small change that can make a big difference in the overall feel of your bathroom. It's like giving your bathroom a mini makeover without the hassle of a full renovation. These affordable updates can enhance the functionality and appearance of your space, making it feel more polished and put together. These small changes can make a big impact on your home's look and feel without overspending. Which area are you looking to update first?